Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best girl's nail polish is probably one of the most delightful and creative gifts you can give to a young artist, transforming their playtime into a vibrant salon experience where imagination shines, allowing them to express their unique style safely and joyfully, making every manicure a masterpiece and a moment of pure, colorful fun. Number 5. Disney Princess 15-piece water-based nail polish set by Townley Girl. Unleash your inner princess with this enchanting nail polish set. It's designed for little hands and big imaginations, making playtime extra special. This collection features 15 vibrant, water-based polishes. They are specially formulated for kids, ensuring a safe and non-toxic beauty experience. Say goodbye to long drying times and messy removers. These polishes dry quickly and simply peel off when it's time for a new look, making cleanup a breeze. Achieve salon-worthy pedicures with the included 3 toe spacers. They help keep little toes separated for flawless application every time. Ideal for girls aged 3 and up, this kit makes a wonderful gift. It encourages creativity and imaginative play, perfect for any aspiring princess. Crafted by Townley Girl, a trusted name in children's beauty products. You can be confident in the quality and safety of this delightful set. What we like. This kit offers a generous 15 pieces, including fun toe spacers, making it a comprehensive set for young enthusiasts. Its beloved Disney princess theme adds an extra layer of magic to playtime. If your little one adores princesses and you're looking for a complete, themed nail art experience, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Townley Girl Disney Princess Belle Nail Polish Set. Unleash your inner princess with this enchanting nail polish set. It brings the magic of Disney Princess Belle right to your fingertips. Crafted with a water-based formula, it's perfect for young, delicate nails. Parents can rest assured knowing it's a gentle choice. Say goodbye to smudges and long drying times. This set dries quickly, letting little ones get back to play in no time. When it's time for a new look, simply peel it off. No harsh removers needed, making cleanup a breeze. With 18 vibrant pieces, there's a color for every mood and outfit. It's designed specifically for girls aged 3 and up. Let imagination soar and creativity shine with this delightful collection. It's the perfect gift for any aspiring princess. What we like. This set boasts an impressive 18 pieces, providing even more color variety for creative expression. Featuring the enchanting Belle, it brings a specific princess story to life. If your child is a big fan of Belle and you want a larger collection with quick-dry convenience, this set is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Townley Girl Disney Frozen Nail Polish Kit. Introducing the perfect gift for your little princess. This delightful set brings the magic of Disney Frozen right to her fingertips. Parents can rest easy knowing it's non-toxic and water-based. It's designed with your child's safety in mind, making playtime worry-free. No more messy removers. This polish peels off easily, and its quick-dry formula means less waiting and more playing. Inside, you'll find 12 beautiful solid colors to spark creativity. Plus, it comes with bonus nail separators for a perfect application every time. This kit is specially designed for kids and girls who love to express themselves. It's the ideal gift set for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like. This kit features a delightful Disney Frozen theme, perfect for fans of Elsa and Anna, and includes bonus nail separators. It offers 12 vibrant solid colors, ensuring classic and consistent looks. If your child loves Frozen and you prefer a collection of beautiful, uniform solid shades, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 2. TOMICCA Kids Nail Polish Set. Introduce your child to a world of color with this exciting nail polish set. It brings joy and creativity to their fingertips, perfect for imaginative play. Parents can rest easy knowing it's made with a non-toxic, water-based formula. This ensures a natural and safe experience for delicate skin. Enjoy mess-free fun with its odorless and quick-drying properties. When it's time for a change, simply peel it off without harsh removers. This set includes 12 beautiful candy rainbow colors, offering endless possibilities for creative expression. Your child will love exploring all the vibrant options. Ideal for toddler parties, birthdays, or just a fun afternoon at home. It's designed for girls aged 3 and up, making every moment special. What we like. This set stands out with its 12 candy rainbow colors, offering a bright and playful palette beyond traditional themes. It's completely odorless, making it ideal for sensitive noses and indoor play. If you're looking for a vibrant, scent-free option with a fun, diverse color range for parties or everyday use, this set is a great pick. What people say. The nail polish kit includes vibrant colors that are perfect for young girls. This kit features peel-off nail polish, making cleanup easy and mess-free for parents. Number 1. Make It Real Bright Nail Polish Set for Girls. Discover a world of color with this vibrant nail polish set. It features 7 dazzling, non-toxic shades, perfect for a different look every day of the week. Crafted with a water-based, non-toxic formula, it's safe for young fashionistas aged 8 and up. Applying it is a breeze, ensuring a fun and mess-free experience every time. Express yourself daily with its unique collection of colors. Whether matching an outfit or a mood, it offers endless possibilities for creative self-expression. Designed to withstand playtime, this high-shine polish is easy to apply for a flawless finish. For an even longer-lasting look, consider pairing it with a clear top coat. This set makes an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for parties, playdates, and inspiring creativity in young girls. What we like. This set provides 7 vibrant colors, one for every day of the week, encouraging daily style changes and creative expression. Designed for girls and teens aged 8+, it caters to a slightly older audience ready for more sophisticated DIY manicures. If you have an older child who enjoys matching their nails to their mood or outfit daily, this kit is an excellent choice for fostering independence and creativity. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.